Okay, welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I am going to share such a great airdrop of Seed of World token SOW. And in this airdrop, you'll be able to collect up to 15 SOW tokens directly in Bioconomy Exchange. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. I will share all the links in the description, especially the Twitter link, the Telegram link, and then the form link of the airdrop, and in the last but not the least, I will share the link of Bioconomy Exchange. So how you can join it? First of all, I will show you the main thing, that is basically the price of Seed of World token. Here you can see it by yourself that one SOW is equal to $1. So it is your time. Here you can see it by yourself that right now the one token is about one SOW is equal to $1. So at this time in their airdrop, you'll be able to collect up to 15 SOW tokens. So how you can join? First of all, here you can see the main form. First of all, you have to enter your email address, then your Telegram username, then you have to enter your Bioconomy username. Here you can also enter your email address, and at the end you have to enter your Twitter username. So from where you will get all the links, I will basically share all the links in the description, so you must have to follow them on the Twitter. And also it is entirely very easy for you. You must have to retweet the pinned tweet. You must have to retweet this one tweet, and also you can basically follow them. Here you can also get all the links, especially the Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and every link is available over here on the main platform of Seed of World. So you can even join it from here, but also I will share the links in the description so you can also join it from there. And here you can see the main thing is basically the exchange. Here you can see Seed of World is coming. So you have to sign up on this exchange on Bioconomy, and no need to do any type of KYC. Only you have to sign up and you have to submit this form. Then you'll be eligible for the airdrop, and then you will definitely get 15 SOW tokens directly in your Bioconomy Exchange platform. Very easily you will get your tokens, and you will be able to basically trade this token. And it is such a great platform. You must have to read each and everything on the main platform, especially the white paper. And if you are willing, and if you think that it is such a great thing, and if you if you think that it is a, you can say, a safe investment for you, then you must have to invest, and you must have to buy some SOW tokens directly from Bioconomy Exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. You get all the links in the description. Thanks.